Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making what I call the house dog hamburger helper. So, as you know, you can go to a hot dog place here around here where I live. Most of their house dogs are chili, onions, and mustard on the hot dog. So with that, I kind of created this recipe with an idea with the replacement of the hot dog in the back of the box. So I came up with this recipe with that. So let's get this going and see how it all turns out in the end. So what I got is, I guess you'd say this is a medium size yellow onion, maybe a little bit on the small side, which is what we need. We're gonna chop this up. Gonna need 5 hot dogs, and I'm going to use a can of this is an 18-ounce can of chili, so I like the chili, and then 1/4 of a cup of yellow mustard. Use that up, and of course this is the Cheeseburger Hamburger Helper. So we got the box, and that calls for 2 cups of milk and 1.5 cups of warm water. So I got that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the onions up here and the hot dogs, and then we'll get cooking. So I'll see you guys here in a minute. Okay guys, I have already rinsed and peeled the onion. So what we're gonna do is like this. Onion, just cut it up in the quarters, but I'm just gonna give it a good chop in it. Let's give a good chop up here. Just be careful with the knives that you don't cut yourself. You do want to make sure that whenever you're doing vegetables, that you do rinse them, wash them off, get all the pesticides and everything off of them. Okay. Get this last little bit here. It don't matter if you got a couple of big pieces. It'll just make it all good in the end. Now, get it all broke up in there. Alright, so what we're gonna do is spray down our frying pan. Yeah, this electric frying pan, I like using the electric frying pan more than I do the frying pan on the thing. So, but we're gonna put our onions there. Flip that over. That knife over here. I'm going to wash my hands. So while we got the onions cooking up here, we will take our 5 hot dogs. Okay. Well, we got these onions good and chopped. I'm going to take our hot dogs. Let's see if you can see them here. We're just going to chop them up. Now, I know these aren't the good kind to have. If you get the like Hebrew National and I think Nathan's, they don't have the nitrates and stuff in the different preservatives. So, but you know, but these will do for the cooking video here. Alright, we'll just get them all up into the slices here. Alright guys, there we go. Last 2 pieces here. Alright, yeah. Let's throw hot dogs in there. Rinse that up. Start cooking the hot dogs. Get them cooked. So, in there with the onions. Onions are turning brown and good. So let me give these a few minutes and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, the hot dogs are done cooking. Onions are good and cooked too. So we're going on to the next step, which is put in the hot dog chili, which is the chili with no beans. And we're going to break that up and get that stirred in there real good. Alright, now for the rest of our stuff here, we're going to put in the mustard. I've got 1/4 of a cup of mustard here. I'll put that in. And our pasta and the seasoning packet or cheese sauce mix. Okay, and our 2 cups of milk and a 1/2 cup of hot water. And we're going to get that good and stirred. Let it come up to a boil. So this is pretty much it, guys. I'm just going to mix all in. And everything mixed in real good here. So Just get this up to a boil. Alright, let's let it, I think I got it good and mixed in there. Let's let it come up to a boil here. Won't be too long. Filling up right really good. You want to just give it a few minutes on the boiling. Get it up to a boil and let it cook for a few minutes that way. Already smells good. Kind of wish we had smell-o-vision right now. There we go. Yeah. That'll get the noodles cooking. Pasta cooking. Alright. There we go. Nice one. Now it's on a good boil. I'm going to put the lid on it. And we're going to turn it down to simmering, and we're going to let it simmer for about 8 minutes. So that'll be right there. So we're going to let it sit for about 8 minutes. I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay guys, we have let this simmer for 8 minutes. So with it off here, and we're going to give this a good stir. Oh boy, this looks so good already. Okay guys, giving that a good heap and stir. And we'll give it a cover and we'll let it simmer for another 2 minutes. I'll see you in 2 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 2 minutes. Pull this off. Okay, I'll set it over here. And go ahead and turn the heat off. Give this another good stir. Alright. So guys, what we're going to do, we're going to let this sit here for a little bit and let it thicken up. It'll just be a few minutes. Alright, so there you go. We'll let it thicken up for a little bit, and then we'll put it in a bowl and enjoy ourselves. Okay guys, we are done. We're gonna serve this up. This thickened up pretty good. Been a few minutes, so I'm gonna put a couple of scoops in here. So there we go. Don't that look good, guys? All right. Probably get everything in here. I think I got a little bit of the chili. A little bit of, it looks like I got an onion in there too. Alright, so here we go guys. I'm giving it a little taste test. This is good guys. This is just amazing. Got the taste of the hot dogs, you can taste the onion, taste the chili, and then there's the mustard for taste in there, just like a house dog at a hot dog stand. So so again, guys, this is what I call the house dog hamburger helper. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys try it if you especially if you got a big family. It'll be really good to go. So alright guys, well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, let me know you like this recipe, and leave a comment below, especially if you try it and like it. Even if you try it and you don't like it, or you have some suggestions for stuff to add for other people to try, because we do like to modify our recipes around here. So okay guys, also if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get them out on Saturday. Don't always do it, but most of the time I do. I also do some taste test videos, which I haven't done in a while. I need to find me something to do. And I also do some sightseeing and adventure videos. Got some of those planned coming up here soon. So okay guys, well, you guys enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this, and I'll catch you on the next video.